Yeah, I think Mr. Kuroda, Governor of the Bank of Japan, is determined to continue easing monetary policy, to stimulate the economy. And I don't think he will change his position, at least for some time to come.
Mr. Sakakibara, there must be growing pressure for the BOJ to change that position, though, because we have reports that George Hara, who's very close to the current prime minister, suggesting that what the BOJ should be doing is raising interest rates. And the yen, it'll be fine for the yen because the yen has been depreciating because of yield differential. So if the Bank of Japan raises rates, they could actually narrow that yield differential and help the yen.
Yeah, Mr. Kuroda, I don't think would raise the interest rate. He would continue his policy, which he started, several years ago, to continue to ease monetary policy. Mr. Kuroda's term expires a year from now, and current Deputy Governor Amemiya would probably become the governor. And at that time, there could be some change in the monetary policy to tighten. But at least for another year or so, I think this easy monetary policy would continue to sort of continue to stimulate the economy.
I was going to ask you, Mr. Sakakibara, whether the Japanese economy can handle these sorts of conditions for another year, or do you think it's going to become incumbent on the BOJ to change the way that it executes or carries out yield curve control, and actually how much that would hurt? Because there's been a lot of talk that they should move the focus further up the curve, not the tens where the focus is right now, but maybe the 5-year paper, or alternatively, they could widen the band which they allow, which they want to allow the 10-year yield to trade in.
Well, I don't know what course of action would Mr. Kuroda takes, but one thing which could be said is Mr. Kuroda has been maintaining very close and cordial relationship with the government, so that government BOJ relationship has been very smooth, and it will continue to be like that for some time to come.